So I'm walking around on a private dock and I just spotted a bear. Shh. All right, let me explain what's going on here. Welcome to the town of Ucluelet. Now this whole thing here is a peninsula, you can see on the map. Now way up here in the corner is Tofino, which you cannot see. I currently parked my vehicle here and I'm gonna walk along basically the shoreline all down through here. Rocky bluffs, blah, blah, blah. Now apparently it takes a couple hours to do this whole thing all the way around, but I'm gonna do a section at a time because I don't wanna run out of daylight. I'm also gonna come down here to the lighthouse and do this area a little bit later too. And the town of Ucluelet is right around here, the aquarium and the downtown. Let's do some hiking. Population of the village is only about 1,700, so it is pretty small. Tofino is about 2,000, so pretty much the same. Tofino is more known for the surfing and the resorts and the beach life, and I believe Ucluelet is known more for the hiking and the views and whatnot. So, and wow, I gotta show you these trees. You can't really tell the size of this tree on this camera, but let's see if I can stand next to it and show you. This is insane. Oh, so by the way, Ucluelet actually stands for People of the Safe Harbor. I find nature just amazing. This tree looks like it's on fire. Just steaming away in the sunlight. This area all along here is what I've done already, and I'm now down at the peninsula at the end, at the P in the middle of the parking lot. I'm going to go all the way around the red thing there. Sea foam. What looks like soap suds on the surf is actually tiny single sud plants mixed with air and water. Oh my God, all this hiking and nature exploring today, and I finally saw a wild animal. But it's here in the town. He looks vicious. Time to explore the mega town of Ucluelet. Something's swimming out there. I don't know what it is. Oh! So I'm walking around on a private dock and I just spotted a bear. Shh. He hasn't seen me yet.